Here, I'm gonna get this. Okay, take 500. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are all doing great today. Thank you guys for all the support with my lookbooks and everything. This is my first time doing a talking video, well, depending on when I upload this. But I really appreciate you guys. Before we get into this, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so today on my channel, we're gonna be doing my first unboxing video. Of course, this is from my great friend, Ashley, back in California. She has a jewelry brand where she sells necklaces, rings, earrings, bracelets, and of course body chains, face masks, and eyelashes. She sent me a package and today we're about to dive right into that. This is the packaging. This is the bag that it all comes in. It's kind of like a makeup bag. Obviously I could use this bag for more things other than just holding my jewelry in. Well, I'm already wearing some of the accessories. You know, I couldn't wait to open the bag. So I'm already wearing the ring, a third eye ring. I'm wearing this one too as well. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'll definitely link these all down below in the description. And I'm wearing some baby girl earrings. Okay, so I'm gonna just dive in. Okay, so the first thing I pulled out are obviously these hoops. This looks like it is 3 different hoops. So we have the circle ones, you got the diamonds, and of course you got the triangles. I feel like I wear hoops a lot because most of the time my hair is up and you know, like, I like earrings. So just it makes your outfit too as well. So these are perfect, they're simple, they're not doing too much. I can easily throw these with like literally anything. They're gold, I wear a lot of gold. I feel like gold definitely complements my skin tone too as well. So that's perfect. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Okay, so we got I think this is a face mask. She makes most of these things too as well. I know the face mask, she definitely hand sewed these. So on the inside is leopard and the outside is leopard too as well. And then you have the lace covering on the outside. It's really cute and kind of sexy. Okay, we have some more gold earrings, but these ones, you got the third eye. I really like these. Definitely matches my ring. My ring is gold too as well. The third eye, I really like that the blue, that this outfit, the eyes are blue. It kind of like just brings out the gold more too as well. And I'm pretty sure that would look really great to like just a simple plain outfit because these are definitely like a statement piece. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Ooh, okay. So we got a choker necklace. I don't know if y'all can see that right there. This is really cute. I feel like I would definitely, personally, I would want to wear this with something that's kind of like more off the shoulder. Off the shoulder, or definitely like strapless. I have some more gold hoops right here. Ooh. We got some more gold hoops. Also kind of goes with these ones. You know me, like I love my gold jewelry. These ones are definitely a bit more heavy. They have some more designs, intricate designs on them. These ones are literally just hoop earrings. These ones have more of a style aspect. These ones are more of like a girls night out type vibe. These ones are more of like a daily look, like just throw it on, run to the store. Okay. Ooh, okay, what are these ones? These ones look like there's some earrings. I see the third eye on them. Ooh, I'm about to open it first. Okay, ooh, these ones are pink. I don't know, right now I'm also really big into like the color pink. Purple is my favorite color, of course, but I love pink too as well. I feel like I just wear a lot of pink pretty much. And this one pretty much has a lot of different colors in it. I can match this with literally absolutely anything. I feel like I would definitely want to wear my hair up with these so I could show them off too because they're very like design intricate and all that. I know that these ones come in blue too as well. My friend Essence got these ones in blue in her package too. I'll link her video down below so you guys can check that out too as well. Ooh. Okay, we got a bracelet. Okay, this bracelet is really cool, and like, oh, I don't know if I mentioned, but her whole healing collection, this collection is the Healing Vibes collection. That's why most of the things is the third eye and like crosses and like the little stones that just all represent like healing. Funny story, this whole collection started, she got the idea for this collection when one day during quarantine I went with my friend Essence to take some pictures, and what has happened was we're walking up a hill and I was wearing heels. Like, it was so funny. I was wearing heels and like I tripped on my pants and I kind of twisted my ankle, and I was telling her about it because I posted about it on like Snapchat. Like my ankle was like swollen for like 2 days, but it was like obviously fine. And then she's like, then she got this whole idea for like the healing collection, and that just all makes sense. And like my friend Essence is really into like manifestation and like the third eye, you know? She's into like the third eye. So that's why there's a lot of third eye pieces within this collection, and obviously things to do with healing too as well. Okay, well this bracelet right here has a few crosses on it too, and it has like the little charms. I really like this one too. It's light, it's not too heavy. I could feel like it won't get caught in a lot of things. Ooh, okay. So I think these right here are some glasses. Well, they're obviously some shades. Ooh. Okay. I definitely wear a lot of sunglasses, especially when I'm like in LA, just running around, like doing random things. So like you'll definitely see me wearing these too as well. And obviously like we're in Miami, even though we're in quarantine, we still be rocking these shades. Okay, looks like we have a next bracelet here too as well. It's red. The red, since this is red, I would definitely possibly match it with when I wear these earrings too as well. I don't know if you guys can see that. We have like the drawstring at the back. You can just pretty much tighten it like that to fit my wrist perfectly, of course. Okay. So we have a next smaller bracelet too as well. This one has kind of like the same technique for like closing it and putting it on, like this one, like the little drawstring, like so. And this one definitely matches the ring that I'm wearing. I'm not quite sure if you guys can see that, but this is the ring, this is the bracelet too as well. I would definitely match these together, and they're silver, so I would definitely wear these. I know my friend Essence got some silver earrings in her package. I would definitely borrow some of hers. Okay. And it looks like we have some more earrings here too as well. These ones are really cute, wow. Okay, I don't know if you guys could see that right here in the center. They have some pearls in the front, some white pearls, and on the back it has the purple gems. Y'all know like purple is my favorite color ever, and I just love that right there. I love how there's pretty much a lot going on in this earring. It's such a statement piece, so I would definitely wear something very simple and like make the earrings be the main focal point of my outfit for sure. Okay, so this is, I think they call this one like a cuff earring. You put it on right here, and then it connects to this part of your ear, and then you pretty much clip it to the back, and then you have, I pretty much wear this one on this side. So this is the ring right here, and it matches the bracelet too as well. I would definitely wear these pieces together. You don't really notice that big of a difference. The earring is obviously gold, but the colors pretty much overpower the gold, so you can't really tell. And with these ones, the bright and bold colors overpower the silver too as well. Ooh. Okay, and we have some lashes. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I barely wear lashes because I don't know how to put them on. I'm scared that I'm going to be ripping off my own lashes, but definitely get you some lashes. Okay. Ooh, okay. We have a few more things in the bag, of course. Open this. Okay. Ooh, so we look like we have a layered third eye necklace. Too as well. So if you guys can see that. I'm not quite sure what I would wear this with yet. I feel like I'd probably wear it with like a dress that's like definitely like deep V cut, or a shirt that is deep V cut. And like obviously I would wear this since there's a lot going on within this. I would probably just do some very simple hoops. I would not do the hoops I had earlier. Well, I just want to thank y'all for watching this video, my first unboxing video. Let me know in the comments if you guys would like me to do more of these videos, of course. And again, thank you so much, Ashley, for this package. I really appreciate all the packages you send me in Essence. I really look forward to working with you more in the future too as well. And if you guys would like to shop anything from Flye, make sure you use the code JADA15, and I'll be sure to link everything in the description below. Thank you guys, bye.